If you've been looking for an earring holder because your earrings are every which way and getting lost and you can't find them, can't find pairs, this thing is awesome. The brand sent it to me to try out and see what I thought. And I want to show you first just how much I have filled this up. So I love, first of all, that it comes with this little perfect earring place for studs. You can see we like to go to Disney, and so we like to have a spot to keep all of these studs. Look at all these spots for earrings. I haven't even quite filled it up because there's so many different places. This is lined with a really nice soft fabric, and it keeps your earrings just looking and feeling really nice. Then it's also got 3 drawers. So let me show you. This is where I actually put all of my rings because I also needed somewhere to put a bunch of rings. So I put that in the second drawer. It just goes in and out so smoothly. The next one you can see has so many different ones, but these are my medium size earrings. And then finally, the bottom, it has 6 different ones for the really big ones. So it's got all this storage. It's really great for storing everything. I have found that since I have started using this, that I have been wearing my earrings more. I've found pairs that I didn't even know that I had. I really love that it has this nice glass on the top so I can see right into my smaller earrings and grab them. My daughters borrow my earrings all the time, and it's really great to be able to have something that we can just all put everything in and we can mix and match and use whatever we want. It looks really nice here on our dresser. I love the gold accents because it matches in with the rest of my decor. And I also just really like the white. I know it comes in other colors, but I really like this creamy white color. It just looks classy and it looks chic. I'm just really impressed with this. The quality of it's great. I love that it's got almost a padded top here, and then it's like a vinyl leather on the outside. So really happy with this. It's high quality. It looks good. Great purchase.